Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are you fine. Now today we will describe the lab activity for class 4. Now yesterday we have described about lab activity 3rd, how to extract stomata from the leaf pea. Understand that? Now today this is very interesting activity and important for practicals. Now what is the aim of today's activity? Aim is that to show experimentally that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. That is the aim of this activity. Now do you know, before start this experiment, I want to talk to you about respiration. What is the basic concept of this experiment? It means that respiration is a vital activity of all living organisms. Every part of the plants respire. Now, respiration means that a carbon dioxide is released as a result of the oxidation of glucose. Now you can say in simple language, the oxidation of food is released carbon dioxide, that is called respiration. Respiration is a vital activity and you can say is a biochemical and catabolic process. What is the catabolic process? Energy eliminated activity are called, that is catabolic process. Do you know it very well? Weight of body decrease during catabolic activity. Understand that? Now do you know it very well? Plants are primary producers. They make their own food by the presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll. That process is called photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is anabolic process. Because of that, to store the energy from sunlight to form a bulbous form in the leaves. It means that plants makes a food in the leaves in the form of glucose in presence of sunlight. It means that to store the energy from sunlight. That's why you can say that photosynthesis is anabolic process. What is the definition of anabolic process? Constructive and to store the energy activities are called anabolic energy. You can say that endothermic energy. Okay. Now I am giving the example. Weight of body increase during anabolic activities. That is the anabolic. Understand that? If your health is good, now your metabolic and catabolic activities are good. Now your metabolic activities are normal, your health is Good. If you are suffering from fever, yeah, if you are suffering from any disease, now your metabolic activity is decrease. Okay, so I think you understand the metabolic and catabolic activities. And what is metabolism? Anabolic and catabolic makes a metabolic. Understand that? Now, what are the material requirement for this activity? Look at the blackboard. Conical flask, delivering tube, U-shaped, KOH. We will hang the small tube like structure, put in the KOH, potassium hydroxide. That is very important materials for this spectacle. Now beaker, water in beaker, small tube, that's very important, germinated sheets. Now germinated sheets. Now procedure of these spectacles, we will take a conical flask and we'll take a germinated sheets, put in the conical flask. Now we hang the small test tubes, put in the KOH, potassium hydroxide, and the dip of the delivery, the dip of the end of delivery tube in water contains in beaker, and now the first end of this delivery tube dip in the conical flask. Now this is the setup of the respiration. Okay, now left this setup 2 and 3 hours. After the 2 and 3 hours, what will be observed? Now observation that after 2 hours, the level of water in the bent tube has risen. Look at this diagram, risen. This is the initial level of water in delivery tube, but it risen up. After 2 and we will take a this setup after 2 and 3 hours. We will observe them. Now, why are the rise up of water level? How? It means that, do you know, KOH has absorbed CO2 released during respiration. Now air pressure inside the conical flask is decreased, resulting in the rise of water level in the tube. Understand that? ये जो KOH है, जो इस जर्मिनेटेड शीट से CO2 निकलता है, वो क्या होता है, इसे KOH क्या कर लेता है, ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है, और इसमें जो एयर प्रेशर होती है वो इस बेंडिंग ट्यूब में जाके, अब ये बेंडिंग ट्यूब किसमें है, वाटर के अंदर, बीकर में, तो वाटर में जो इनिशियल लेवल तक आ रहा है वाटर, उसको क्या कर देती है, जितने भी एयर प्रेशर से उसको राइज अप कर, राइज वाटर लेवल कर देती है. अंडरस्टैंड दैट? तो रिजल्ट इज दैट KOH has observed CO2 released during respiration. Air pressure inside flask is decreased, resulting in the rise of water level in the tube. Understand that? I think, are you understand the aim, basic concept, material requirement, procedure, observation, results, and now precautions. Precautions means that we should use only germinated sheets. if you use dry sheets with absence of moisture, what will be happen? आप यदि इसमें ड्राई शीट से तो क्या होगा? It means rate of respiration of dry sheet is low. Why are you taking? We are taking only we will take only germinated sheets. Because of that, rate of respiration of germinated sheet is higher. Then and second is air sufficient here, oxygen sufficient here. Now seed embryo of germinated seed is active and divisible cell growth. Under that is the reason we will take a germinated seeds in conical flowers for this experiment. Okay, I think that is the precautions. Now cork used be, and we should be used wooden cork and rubber cork. Okay, cork should be used tightly. Okay, that is the precautions. Now I am giving some questions for your Viva Voice and your practical examinations. Now first question is, differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now do you know what is aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Respiration that take place in organism in the presence of oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. Then what is anaerobic respiration? Respiration that take place in organism in the absence of oxygen, that is anaerobic respiration. Some yeast and bacteria, that is the example of anaerobic. Understand that? That is very important question. That is very important answer of question first. Understand that? Now second question is this: what differentiate between anabolic and catabolic reactions? Yeah, you can say the catabolic activity and anabolic activity given with example. Now the third question is, why are you use this germinated sheets in this experiment? Now question is fourth, why are you use this KOH in this experiment? Okay. Now question 5 is, that is very important. Why are mitochondria called powerhouse of the cell? Understand that? That is very important questions for this lab activity. Now if I think are you understanding me? Now stay home, stay safe. Take care students. Bye.